Master of Ceremonies, you will present the Senior Warden-elect.
Worshipful Sir, I present to you for installation Brother Valerian Manalo Antonio, who has been elected Senior Warden of this lodge. This certificate vouches for his proficiency. He is of good moral, true, and trusty, and possesses the love and confidence of his brethren.
Congratulations. Well done, brother. Brother Antonio, you have been elected Senior Warden of this lodge, and you will now be invested with the jewel of your station. The level, my brother, demonstrates that we are descended from the same stock, that we partake of the same nature and share the same hope, and that although distinctions among men are necessary to preserve subordination, yet no eminence of station should make us forget that we are brethren. For he who is placed on the lowest spoke of fortune's wheel, be entitled to all regard, because a time will come, and the wisest know not how soon, when all distinction, save that of goodness, shall cease, and death, the mighty leveler of human greatness, reduce us to the same state. Your regular attendance on our stated meetings is essential. In the absence of the Master, you are to govern the lodge.